Copyright in code vertical bar, how JCL protects its platform from copycats. At JCL Cargo, our LogTech platform is custom-built line by line, function by function. We don't use off-the-shelf plugins, we don't outsource critical logic, and we don't leave our intellectual property exposed. That's why copyright is the first legal tool we use to protect our technology. Unlike patents, which require formal application and review, copyright protection is automatic under UK law. It applies the moment original code is written and saved. Let's walk through how JCL uses copyright to safeguard its most valuable digital assets. What we protect: 1. Backend source code. All logic powering our quoting engine, tracking tools, and tax estimators written in Python, TypeScript, and SQL is protected. 2. Front-end interface code. Our UI design, written in React and tailored for logistics interaction, is covered, including animations, transitions, and dynamic states. 3. UX copy and instructional text, tooltips, error messages, button labels, help desk scripts, all the small textual elements that define the JCL user experience. 4. Platform architecture documentation, internal wikis, flow diagrams, class structures, and deployment playbooks, all protected as literary works under copyright law. 5. Training materials and client guides. Every client-facing manual, tutorial video script, and on-screen walkthrough falls under copyright automatically. How we prove ownership. To avoid disputes and prove originality, we've implemented a copyright compliance system that includes Git-based version control with timestamps and authorship logs, regular code backups stored on immutable audit-friendly cloud storage, signed developer agreements transferring copyright from contractors and employees to JCL Cargo, periodic third-party code scans to ensure no unlicensed code is present in our repositories. We also maintain an internal copyright ledger, documenting when and where key modules were created, and by whom. What happens if someone copies our code? Because our software is protected by copyright, we can issue DMCA takedown notices to hosting platforms or GitHub repositories. We can take legal action against competitors using cloned code. We can prove ownership in investor or M&A due diligence processes. And unlike patents, which only protect specific inventions, copyright protects expression, meaning even partial replication of code, structure, or design can trigger a legal response. Beyond code, UX, structure, and flow. Many forget that copyright also covers layout structure of user journeys, the arrangement of content blocks and dashboards, menu naming and positioning any embedded written material, like pre-written emails or invoice formats. That means our tracking interface, quote dashboard, and even the client onboarding flow are all protected. Business benefit copyright may not require filing, but when managed correctly, it offers fast legal protection, no registration